love affirmations. Affirmations are great. Everybody should use them. Everybody should do them. And what makes a good affirmation is one that you can remember, that's worded well in the present tense in a positive way. What makes a great affirmation would be one that you can't ever plateau, that you can't ever bottom out, right? That you can continue to strive for all the time without comparing it to anything else. So that would be something like, show me how great it can be. It would be something that you're asking yourself to demonstrate to you or for you, something that you want or that you would like to have, that can continually get better and better and better every day without ever having to say that. Show me how great it is. Show me how easy it can be are fantastic affirmations. And they would work every day with everything for everyone.